The number 7 difference between domestic and international marketing is that domestic marketing deals only with one set of consumers, while international marketing deals with different types of consumers with different tastes. This is true because in case of domestic marketing, the marketers market the product only in the home market. So therefore, only one type of customer is required to be given the offer, is required to be pushed for the sale. However, in international marketing, the marketer needs to deal with customers from different countries, and all these different country customers, they have different tastes, different preferences, and therefore it can be rightly said that the domestic marketing, the marketers deal with only one set of consumers, while in case of international marketing, the marketers deal with different types and categories of customers belonging to different countries. The difference number 8 is that in domestic marketing, the company can have the same policies and strategies in marketing, while in case of international marketing, the marketers are required to frame different strategies in the production of their products, in the marketing of their products, in the promotion of their products. So therefore, in domestic marketing, the company can have one set of marketing efforts or one program of marketing efforts, while in case of international marketing, the marketers will have to have different marketing programs to deal with different markets of different countries. The number 9 difference that I want to discuss with you is international marketing involves rules and regulations of more than one countries, and domestic marketing involves rules and regulations of one country only. So this is I think easy to understand that different countries, they will have their own governments, and the governments will set up rules and regulations for the international marketers, for the importers, for the exporters, and therefore in case of international marketing, the marketers will have to consider the rules and regulations and the legal aspects of different countries. But that is not the case in case of domestic marketing or home country marketing, because in home country marketing, the marketers, they have to consider only the rules and regulations of the home country only. So that way, as far as the rules, regulations and legal matters are concerned, there is a difference between domestic and international marketing. Domestic marketing dealing rules, regulations, etc. of one country, whereas in international marketing, rules, regulations and legal matters that are to be dealt with belongs to different countries. Thank you.